quality. Check the description box and get yourself this wig, okay? And if you are not bold enough, get your mother this wig, get your auntie this wig, okay? Because honey, salt and pepper is literally doing the things. Yeah. Happy New Year, you guys. Oh my goodness, 2026, we are here and we are looking bold and sophisticated. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by the one and only Luvme Hair Company, and as I said, I am looking nice, bold, elegant, sophisticated, bona all in one, because this is 2026. Okay, and we have to elevate our look, and with this salt and pepper wig, I feel like I'm there. Okay, I feel like I've elevated my look. I feel like I look nice, mature, but also very, very stylish. Okay, I look super, super stylish. I love the tones. You know, everything just blends together. Like, they did such a great job with this wig, and honey, I'm here for it. Let me tell you something. The only thing that I had to do to this wig was just to wear it, to put it on my head, unbox it, put it on my head, and that was it. Nothing was done to this wig. It came pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-plucked, born pre-styled as well. So you know what, let's get straight into today's video. Okay, I'm happy with this wig. I'm happy with this wig, and by the way, this wig is glueless. I love this wig. Let's get straight into today's video.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips you touch.
I'm so excited to be showing you guys this next wig. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, it is a 10 out of 10. It's one of my favorite wigs because it is giving a mature, sophisticated, elegant, you know, look. So yeah, without wasting time, guys, let me show you guys what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. It is purple and silver, and these are the nice goodies that they were kind enough to send me. Hair clipper, which is branded, Luvme Hair wig caps, and of course a branded wig storage bag. So now here's the wig. It is salt and pepper wig, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is so nice and soft, as y'all can see. It is literally doing what it's supposed to do. I love the way it's so nice and soft, and it literally bounced back to how they styled it. It came pre-styled, pre-everything, right? Pre-cut, pre-everything. So let me show you guys. Oh, it's a C-pot. So this is a C-part, and it also has these two adjustable belts right here, so you can adjust your wig anyhow you want. And it also has this extra adjustable belt as well. Well, I love the gray tones of this wig, and as you can see, guys, it is a bob, and they styled it. Look at that, look how it looks. I love the gray tones. It gives it, it's, you know, that more natural look. Look at that, it has gray tones and a little bit of black, but the black is not too much. It's literally giving what it's supposed to give. The C part, look what they did to the C part. They literally plucked it nicely. It is cut for you. So you know what, there's nothing else that you need to do. This new year, you're going to be looking absolutely beautiful, and I am so excited to be trying it on. It is nice and bouncy. I love to shake, especially if it's a Luvme hair wig. I love to shake it to show you the greatest quality. Okay, this is gorgeous. Look at this. It is nice and bouncy. So I'm going to put it on and let's see how it looks on me. I'm so excited. This wig is nice and stretchy as well, so you don't have to, yes, just exactly the way I imagined it to be. All right, this is exactly the way I imagined this wig to be. All right, beginner friendly, because look, glueless. Okay, no glue was used, and I look so good. I love it so much. I told you the wig is pre-styled, and that's exactly how it came. Literally, they styled this wig. This is so elegant. This is sophisticated. If you want to buy it for maybe someone who's a little bit mature, who's a little bit older, you can, because they're not going to be, you're not gonna be stressing whenever they wear this wig. You have to be there, because honey, they can wear this wig on their own. They're not gonna struggle. Okay, it is beginner friendly. The only thing that I had to do to this wig was just to put it on my head, and that was it. It is beautiful. Okay, it is sophisticated. I love it so much. Look at me. It came like this. They styled it, they curled it. I love the pieces. You see the gray highlights. Stunning, 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 stunning. This is giving I'm bold, I'm a boss babe, I can do whatever I want and still look absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. All right. I love it. I really, really love it. Look at this. Is 100% human hair, by the way, right? I look really, really good. Nothing was done to this wig, by the way. It came pre-planned, pre-everything. Wow, the blend is seamless. There are no harsh lines. Like, everything was done to perfection. Look at that. No harsh lines, nothing. It is soft. By just looking at it without even touching it, you can see how soft this wig is. Like, they did such a great job. They dyed it perfectly. All right, I'm impressed. I am really, 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 really impressed. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous mature salt and pepper wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye.